Salute the YoungStar.
Hi, Mom. Here you go. Oh, wow, it's so dressed. Thank you so much, Mom. You're welcome. That's she's Titi's mom, and her mom is giving her a nice dress, which is this. But but then when like eventually some children are filming a TikTok video, and then Titi walks past with a nice dress, and then they start bullying her. And
what would you like? Oh my god, she's not wearing what I think she's wearing, is she?
Oh no! Backfires. So you guys start.
Okay. Oh my god. You just said that. Oh my god, she's not wearing that. I think she's wearing shit. I swear it's like
You're meant to be sad. Stop smiling.
I'm going to take a
something like, oh my god.
Yeah, if you can't hide your laugh, then just put your hands in.
That's a good idea, yeah. I've walked past you.
Stay on this side. Sorry.
That I want to become a director when I grow up. Yeah. Because I think I was really good and yeah.
Nice. You like leading the ideas. What did you like most about directing?
I got to boss people around and they had no choice but to listen to me. Because like normally when I'm trying to instruct people, they don't listen to me. I've never heard. But because I could say that I'm the director, they had to listen to what I wanted to like put in the script.
And did you how was it working with a Hollywood actor for the first time?
Well, I haven't experienced it.
Do you learn anything about fashion?
Yeah, how they not predict, but they kind of look years and years into the future. So that they understand what it might look like in the future.
What do you think it might be like in the future?
Well, obviously different. But like, I think there might be like more technology into outfits and all that thing.
What did you learn today? Or what did you enjoy today?
I enjoyed that, like, I got to watch people doing the TikTok as like a movie.
Nice. Alright, well done everybody. Anyone want to add anything final?
Well, I'd like to like change where I shop and stuff like that, but like they didn't. I remember when I tried to go on like a slow fashion kind of thing, like trying to look for sustainable brands and stuff like that. And I was just looking for like normal stuff like t-shirts, jumpers. And I looked across the jumper and it was like a normal one. It wasn't designer or anything. It was £200. Like I don't understand how they expect us to kind of like, especially like expecting every single person in the world. Like not everyone can afford a £200 jumper. Not everyone is a millionaire. So like, I feel like if they made things cheaper, like I know that it's like expensive to make and stuff, but if they made things cheaper, then I definitely would. So.
Well, there's a lot of creativity in this room. So yes, you're a really exciting group to be around.
Like, well done to everybody for coming down today, taking part. We've got a couple of videos that we can watch. Was it Slow Fashion? They made like 3 videos, and then the other group put like a long video together. So what we can do, we can put them on try and airdrop them to the video, to the iPad. Yeah, everyone saw that one? Yeah.
She came in with Bim.
You know what's gone wrong?
So Hollywood actor was?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, then Justin.
Justin.
Okay, Justin.
I swear Mop is more slippery. so it's hair blood.